Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourself, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 11th July 2024 are follows. Bengali date 26 আষাঢ় 1431. As per Benimatov Ponjika, today's Tithi is Shukla Panchami up to 0842 hours. After that, Shukla Shashti. Benimadov Sil Ponjika, today's Nakshatra is Purva Phalguni Nakshatra up to 1240 hours, and after that Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Today is World Population Day. Today is International Essential Oils Day. Today is National Swimming Pool Day. Today is National 7-Eleven Day. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Alexander Mikhailovich Prokhorov. Thank you very much for your patience.